Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panoramic sunroof. Our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a set of clean all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist. A nice burl walnut trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo when you open up the door. Hopping in, we've got our new redesigned touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. New to Mercedes-Benz is our touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, USB ports, our new touchpad for our multimedia system, dynamic select driving settings, volume, navigation. This CLA has 38,857 miles on it. Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.